Hi guys, GoodGolf here, and today we will be fixing the missing audio in our VR terrain setup. I will continue to work on the project we created in the previous videos in this VR Revisited series. The first step is to go to the project settings and select the audio tab. Make sure the following settings are correct. Default speaker mode to stereo. DSP buffer size to best latency. Spatializer plugin to Oculus Spatializer. Once this is done, we can start fixing the broken Gaia sounds. First we need to assign the OVR camera rig to the Gaia Audio Manager. Next we assign the center eye anchor to the player property in the weather settings. Last, we need to set the center eye anchor to the player camera property in the Gaia underwater effects. However, if we simply try to drag and drop it into the property, it refuses to do so. This is a known issue, and Peter from the Procedural Worlds team posted a workaround in their Discord channel. So we will set the inspector to debug mode and force the center eye anchor into the property. If you would now run the game, you would still hear pretty much nothing. This is because the audio zones are not being triggered. In order to fix this, we will add a rigid body and a capsule collider to the OVR camera rig. Alternatively, I guess you could add these to the tracking space instead, if you prefer that. Next, we will add a teleport sound, which gets triggered every time we teleport to a new location. Create a new audio source under the headset alias and add the sample of choice. Next, add a teleporting event to the teleporter instant and link the audio source we just created to it. In the function set audio source play. Last we will create an audio source which will play a sound in the scene. I will place it near the rock and pick the cow sample already in the Gaia package. After creating the audio source, I also add the ONSP audio source component, which will add the Oculus spatializer capabilities. By applying this, you will get an improved, more precise audio experience, improving the audio immersion in your game. Once we are done, we can save the project and run it.